A very good morning to all of you students. Students, in our early class, I have discussed up to question number 3rd in assignment 2.12. Okay, so now in this class, I'm going to discuss the remaining parts of our assignment 2.12. Okay, so question number 4th, first part is divide 2.605 by 2.5. So students, 2.605 divided by 2.5. Okay, so this is our question. Now, if I just remove the decimal, so after decimal there are 3 digits. So what can I do? I can just put 1 here and 3 zeros, because after decimal there are 3 digits. Okay, divisible sign as it is. Now 2.5 I have. 2.5 can be written as 25 by 10. Okay. Now student, 26. This as it is. Division sign, just replace it by multiplication sign. Okay. So the numbers will get reciprocated. So it can be written as like this. So 0 cancel out with 0. Now, if I just cancel both of these numbers, so 5 5s are 25. Now here, 5 5s are 25, 1 remaining. 1 into 0, that is 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Okay. So now we have 521 here. Okay. Now 521 is not divisible by 5 and neither divisible by this 100. So 521 multiplied by 1 will be 521 upon 100. Sorry, 500. Sorry. Okay. 500. So what we have to do? We have to divide 521 by 500, students. So 521. And here we have 500 now. So 500 as it is. 21 students. Okay. Now 21 is less than this number. So I will do just one thing. Put a decimal here and an extra 0. Now also 210 is smaller than this number. So I just put a 0 here and an extra 0 also here. Now if I just multiply it by 4, student, it will be 5 4s are 20 and extra 2 zeros. So it will be 100. Okay. So I can just say that 1.04 is our approximate answer. So our approximate answer is 1.04. Okay. So moving further to our question number 2, students, we have to divide 3.6225 by 2.3. Okay. So students, this can be written as like this, because after decimal there are 4 digits. So I have to put 4 zeros in the denominator portion. Divide sign as it is. It can be written as like this. Okay. So if I just write it like this, 10,000 as it is. If I just replace division sign with multiplication sign, student, the number will get reciprocate. The number after it will get reciprocate. 0 cancel out with 0. Just see 36225 is divisible by 23 or not. Okay. So if I just divide them, students, 36225 when divided by 23, students. So 23 into 2 will be 46. That is greater than this number. So take 1 here and 23. So it will be 13, students. Okay. Now take this 2 and put it here. Now 23 into we have 23 and we have to form a number exact 132 or nearer to this. So if I take, students, 6 3 is 18, 1 6 2 is 12 and 1 13, that is 138 greater than this number. So I can't take this. So I take 5, students. So 5 is 15, 1 5 2 is 10 and 11. That is 115. So take a 5 here and it will be 115. If I just subtract them, it will be 7 and 1. So it will be 17, students. So now take this 2 and put it here now. Okay. So if I just multiply this by 8, if I just take it and multiply it by 8, students. Okay. So it will be 8 3 is 24, 2 8 2 is 16, 17, 18. that is greater than this number. So I have to take the multiple of 7. I have to multiply it by 7. So 7 3s are 21, 2. 7 2s are 14 and 16. So take 7 here and 161 as it is. So now the remainder is 1 and 1 again. Okay. Now take this 5. 115. See, if I just multiply this by 5, it will be 115, students. So it is completely divisible now. Okay. So if I divide this by this, I get 1575. Now students, in denominator we have 3 zeros. So put a decimal before 3 digits. So 1, 2 and 3 digits. So the answer is 1.575. Okay students. So this is our question number 4, students. Okay. So okay students, so moving forward to our question number 5, students. Now in this part we have to just divide two numbers again. So the first part contain divide 2.35 by 5. Okay. So student, 2.35 can be written as 235. After decimal there are 2 digits. So I can put 100 here. Okay. Now replace this division sign with multiplication sign. So the number after it will get reciprocate. So it can be written as 1 by 5, students. So if I just divide them now, so 5 4s is 20. 5 4s are 20. 0 and 5 4s is 20. Remainder is 3 and 5. That is 5 7s are 35. So the answer is 47 into 1. That will be 47 by 100. Now in denominator we have 2 zeros. So we have to put decimal before 2 digits. So 1 and 2 digits. So answer will be 0.47, students. Okay. Now moving forward to our second part of it. Student, we have to divide 0.005 by 2. We have to divide these two numbers. So student, this number can be written as 5 as it is. After decimal there are 3 digits. So 1 and 3 zeros. Multiply sign. Here I have replaced division sign with multiplication sign. So I have to just do one thing, that the reciprocate the number I have. Okay. So students, if I just divide this 5 by 2, if I just divide this 5 by 2, student, it will be 2 to the 4. Remainder is 1.0. It will be completely divisible. So the answer is 2.5. If I divide this by this, so it will be 2.5 now, and upon 1000. So now in denominator we have 3 zeros. So I have to just shift the decimal before 3 digits. So already 1 digit is there. So I have to put 2 extra zeros. Okay. Now see, decimal is here now. After removing these zeros, so I have to shift the decimal before 3 digits. So 1 digit, 2 digit and 3 digits. So the answer is this. Or I can just simply write it like this. Okay students. So the answer is 0.0025. Okay. Okay, so now moving forward to question number 6, students. It consists of 2 parts. So in this part we have to just divide these two numbers. Okay. So 24505, I can write it like this, upon. After decimal there are 3 digits. So just write 1, 2 and 3 zeros. I have to divide it by 0.05. I can just simply write it like 5 as it is. After decimal there are 2 digits. So I can write it like this. Okay. Because after decimal there are 2 digits. So I have to place 2 zeros in denominator. So it can be written as 24505 upon 1000. If I just replace this division sign with multiplication sign, it will be 100 upon 5 as it is. Okay. Now 2 zeros cancel out with these 2 zeros. Now 5. If I just divide this number by 5, so students, 5 4s is 20. The remainder is 4. So 4 and 5. So 5 9s are 45. 0 as it is. Okay, now we have 1. So 1 here. So 5 is a 5. So the remaining portion is 4901 multiplied by 1. That will be 4901 upon 10. So the answer, students, will be 490.1. Okay, because in denominator there is only one zero, so I have to put the decimal before one digit. So before one digit, that means between 0 and 1. So 490.1 is the required answer. Now moving forward to our second part. Students, we have to divide this number by this number. This number can be written as 46 as it is. See, after decimal there are, count how many digits are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digits are there. So I have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 zeros. Okay. Now I have to divide it by this number. This number can be written as 23 as it is upon. After decimal there are 4 digits. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay students. So if I just write it, it will be, see this number as it is, that means 70. Okay. Now replace the division sign with multiplication sign, then number will get reciprocated. So it will be this and okay. Now students, these 4 zeros cancel out with these 4 zeros. Now 23 into 1, 23, 23 into 2 will be this number. So the answer will be 2 upon 1000 students. Students, I have already told you that if in denominator, the denominator is the multiple of 10, that is 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 or something like this, never cancel the numbers. Never cancel the numbers. Always just put the decimal. Okay. So now in denominator we have 3 zeros. So we have to put the decimal before 3 digits. So 2 zeros extra and a 2 is also there. So the answer is 0.002. That means 0.002. Okay students. Okay students. So moving forward to our last question, that is question number 7 students. Question number 7 consists of 4 parts. Out of these 4 parts, I am going to discuss only 2 parts. That is part first and part fourth. The remaining parts, that is part second, part third, you have to do yourself. Okay. So first part is 4.50 plus 2.5, but it is in bracket. So according to BODMAS rule, we have to just solve the bracket first of all. So 4.50 plus 2.5. See, 4.50 plus 2.5 students. It can be written as 0 as it is. 5 5s are 10. 1 4 to 6. This. Okay. So it will be 7.00. That means it is 7. Because if I just remove the decimal, 2 zeros cancel out with 2 zeros. So this will be 7 divided by 3.5 students. So it can be written as 35 by 10. Because after decimal there is only one digit. Now 7 as it is. If I just replace the division sign with multiplication sign, the number will get reciprocated. So it will be this. Okay. So 7 ones are 7. 7 5s are 35. 5 ones are 5. 5 2s are 10. So the answer is students 10. Sorry, 2. Okay. So now moving forward to our last part students. 3.97, it can be written as this upon 100 because after decimal there are 2 digits now. 100 as it is, this can be written as 1. After decimal there are 3 digits. So just write like this, 1 and 3 zeros. Okay. Now bracket, replace this by multiplication sign. Replace the division divide by multiplication sign. The number will get reciprocated. It will be this. So okay, these 2 zeros cancel out with these 2 zeros. So the remaining number is 397 into 1 into 1. So it will be 397 as it is upon 3 zeros and 3 zeros. That means 6 zeros. Now in denominator there are total 6 zeros. So I have to put the decimal before 6 digits. So 3 digits are already there. I have to put more 3 digits. So 0, 0, 0 and this 397. So 6 digits are there. Now you can put a decimal there and extra 0. Now this is our required answer. So students, now our assignment 2.12 is completed. So I hope all of you understand all these 4 questions. Okay. So now what you have to do, you have to just solve the remaining questions yourself and try to do the examples also. Okay. Till then, just be safe and be at your home. Okay, I'm gonna meet you in the next class.